In need of square footage in a mother-in-law suite? How about an air-conditioned gym or workshop? Want to take a swim in a salt-treated pool? This home has it all. Elegant master bath includes his and her vanities, a jetted tub, a walk-through shower, and separate commode and bidet stalls. Master bedroom, living room, eat-in kitchen, family room, and hallway all provide exits to the home's vast lanai and pool area, which includes a summer kitchen. Gas-powered fireplace. Mother-in-law suite includes adequate living space, a kitchenette, full bath, and separate entrance to the outside. Plenty of space for hosting, entertaining, or simply relaxing. Automated hurricane shutters on front porch and back lanai, secure at the touch of a button. Manual hurricane shutters on all other windows. Safe and sound. Make your appointment today to view this spectacular home.